In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Raydium. So I am actually right now on the Raydium website. I just need to head over to raydium.io. Here's my Raydium, and in here I have my Phantom Wallet. So what we can do in order to connect those two together is to just click onto this connect option right here in your Raydium. Then in here we have in here a Phantom Wallet. Just click onto this Phantom Wallet option. And then you can see in here this. So I've already installed my Phantom wallet. I just need to click at this. I've already installed. Just click on this refresh page right here. You can also head over and then do it again if you would want. You can just click onto this option right here and then it will redirect you to your Phantom. So just head over and then log in using your device right here. You can click onto these three lines. Then you can see here the security. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just click onto this download for Android, or you can also enable your desktop site in order to log in from in there. So once you have logged in, you can head over and then just sign up, and then this will connect those two together.